We're Chip and Joanna Gaines.
Chip, get up here.
We take an upcoming unit in the best school and we turn it into our client's dream unit.
Are y'all ready to see your fixer-upper? Do you have the guts to take on a fixer-upper?
Hi, I'm John Dansby. This is my wife, Kay. We have DOK activities and assessments level 1.
We've been doing the same lesson for years.
It's a classic case of being in a rut, doing the same old thing, and having no ideas to go from. Hopefully, with Joanna and Chip, they'll be able to figure out the options that we need to make our classroom better.
All right, what do you think about the Dansbys? I'm excited to show them some new units.
I just love these schools. They've got engaging hooks and transformed classrooms.
Well, I was not impressed. What do you want in the next unit?
I'd really like some higher level thinking, some better instructional strategies, and maybe even some new tech tools.
Well, you know, we have an all-in budget of $275K, so I think we could do it.
The TLAP unit, because of the pirate potential. This unit has a PowerPoint, an hour-long lecture, and was built in 1920. They're asking $140,000 for it, but I think with their all-in budget of $275,000, we can really customize it and make it something that they want.
I think the key is just to think about what it could be.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, nice.
So, what do you think?
Feels a little weird with the overhead projector in the middle of the room.
I would remove that. Really open up this unit. Maybe new instructional strategies, high-level thinking activities, restore all the student interest, fresh tech, fonts. What do you think?
I gotta be honest, I thought it would have been a lot nicer because of all the times I've used it.
I think that it's gotten a lot of character removed from it over the years. The assessments are plain, simple, kind of DOK1.
But I think it's how we can bring it back. How can we bring it back and give it the character it needs and still fit the needs of your students? Do you think they went out the back door?
They either fired us or they ran off. We could polish up the assessment. We could really add some new engaging DOK4 projects. We could even turn this old, huge projector into some really cool tech.
So what do you think? Are you overwhelmed or do you see the vision?
I'm kind of overwhelmed because this is a lot of stuff and I just really don't think I can get all this done.
Well, don't be overwhelmed. You have a lot of great things going for this unit. You just have to stay positive.